Well, hey there, Pharmacy Badass University member. Dr. Lisa Faast here. And if you're interested in potentially upgrading to unlimited, I want to answer some of the most common questions we get about that. So at the essentials level, you've already unlocked the full portal, the pharmacy profit matrix, live calls, unlimited graphic design, kind of all the tools and resources you need. What's kind of missing from there, if you will, is one-on-one help for you and your team. And that is essentially what unlocks at the unlimited level. So at the unlimited level, you get one-on-one coaching. So whether you want it to be someone to help you create programs like maybe an employee bonus program, help you guide you all the thing, tell you exactly what to do each week. You're looking for that accountability partner. You want somebody to work directly with your team. Maybe you want them to train your team on OTC sales or those kinds of things. All of that unlocks at that unlimited level. And it really, truly is unlimited. So you can schedule with anybody on our coaching team as many times as you want, right? Or you can Slack them, you can email them, your full communication. You're not just limited to, 1 hour call a month or something like that. You get full access. Basically, my team is your team as much as possible from a remote aspect. So my team, has full authority to help you with anything that they are humanly possibly able to help you with. Now, the other thing that you unlock when you go to unlimited is our pharmacy growth hub, which is our done for you digital marketing. That means my digital marketing team is now your digital marketing team. So we can automate and do for you your social media. We can email your patients. If you're like, I don't have any emails for my patients, we can help you create all the things in the infrastructure. So you start creating emails for your patients. We can text message your patients. We can help with website stuff. We can basically, if it's anything in the digital marketing space, our team now is equipped to be able to help you with that. So you get basically human support and human help in growing and scaling your pharmacy. That unlimited level is really for people who are looking for growth and scaling, right? You want us to work with your team. Maybe you have multiple locations. You're looking for, you want to be seen on all the social media pages. You want just maximum growth for your pharmacy. Really, that's the unlimited membership is designed for. So no matter what, as always, just like when you joined as a member in the very beginning, if you upgrade, you're not locked in. There's no contracts. There's no minimums. Everything comes back with a 90-day money-back guarantee anytime you change. So you're not locked in. You're free to, upgrade and downgrade as you see fit for your pharmacy. Because we all know never a dull day in pharmacy. So I want to make sure that I'm flexible for you. So if there's any other questions that you have, never hesitate to reach out to me. We're here to make your life easier and your pharmacy continuously profitable and help you love pharmacy ownership again. So, let me know, and I will talk to you guys next time, and have a great day. Bye-bye.